All right. When is the right time, the right time to ask for a review? Reviews are critical for your beauty business. You know why? Because a lot of people will base your business based on what other people are saying about you, right? Obviously, reviews are truly one of the pillars of a successful business. The more reviews you have, the easier it is for you to justify increased prices, for you to it gets easier to get clients because they're just going to look at the reviews and go, God dang, this gal, this esthetician has so many reviews, she must be good, right? So it cuts down a lot of the hemming, the hawing, while increasing your prices and keeping you booked. Now, how do you do it? Let's go. Double up. One thing y'all might have noticed is even me, moi, in the past, I was kind of chill on my reviews because I really wasn't doing much. Now that as I'm transitioning more into a business as opposed to just giving out words of knowledges, which I do anyways. But I want to make a couple of bucks. Is it okay? Is it okay if your boy Wick makes $1 or $2 in the process while helping you? That is one of my very, very important parts is I want to make money with you, not from you. Big difference. All right. So what you might be noticing is I'm starting to ask for reviews now. Why is that? Because I'm growing my brand, I'm growing my business, and there's a process I use to do that. And it is a rule. I want you. This is a rule, a theory. It's like one of the laws of business. It's called the law of diminishing returns. Diminishing returns. That means when you do something for a client, let's just say they came in for a facial and you did the ooh, the ah, you got the glitter and the magical stuff, and you were like, you're like esthetician bay, you're like, shh, you're sprinkling it, you're sprinkling your awesomeness on them, right? You gave them the glow, you made them feel enchanted, right? Like a princess or a queen. You put them on a unicorn and you did all this, and then time went by and you asked for a review later on, and then crickets. What is the law of diminishing returns? The law of diminishing returns says this, that the longer the more time that goes between the service or the feeling you gave that person, the longer the time, the less they value that result. The longer the time, the longer you wait between that, the less they value that result. It's weird, but just do it. That they have a lot of sayings that go with it. Strike while the iron is hot, right? And so the best time to ask for a review is when you, one, blow the client's mind. They're like, oh my God. Be like, yeah, I know. I did that for you. Right? Just let them know it's fine. They didn't do it themselves. Shit. Take credit for it, you bold beauty boss. You put in the work. Take credit. It's okay. Don't be modest. Modesty doesn't help nobody. Right? Modesty doesn't help nobody. So why do eat? Right. So when you give them that go, you know what? How do you like how you feel? Like, I feel good. How do you like how you look? I look good. You know what? There's so many other people out there that want to glow like you, but they just don't know about the glow. Here, let me get my phone real quick. I'm gonna do a quick video. Let's talk about the glow together. What's up? Right? Boom, just like that. Don't make it like it's a big deal. Like you have to do hey, I'm gonna do a video testimonial. No, dude, just be like, you feel good? Okay, here, I got my phone here. This is what we're gonna do. Hey, what's up? Da, 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 da. Get a quick testimony like that, whatever, right? But you want to do it while that person is in that state. What happens, and I'm starting to do that, you'll see this as I'm doing it, because it's how I practice what I preach, and it works well, is I will remind people of what I did, right? So for example, in the group, you'll see, go, hey, have I helped you? Have I been of value to you? if there's anything in the group, any idea I shared that has benefited you, would you please do me a favor? And they're like, yeah, Wick, oh my God, you helped me. This. It's like, did I? I did that for you. Can you do something for me too, please? Like, yeah, Wick, what? What can I do? Here's a link for my Google. Can you leave me a little review? Can you please? So extra. But see, that's it. So first I'll say that I'm like, if I've been of value to you, hey, have my facials been useful to you? Hey, how are you liking your skin? Here's a before picture. Here's an after picture. Oh my God, look at the transformation. Go, that took some work, but man, congratulations. You look awesome. Don't you feel great? Yeah. Don't you feel amazing? Yeah. Don't you feel beautiful? Yeah. Can you do me a favor? Yeah. What can I do? Here, I'm gonna send you a quick link. Can you please leave just a review? Just a quick review will take less than 30 seconds. Can you do that for me right now? Yeah. Boom. Right? So you remind them if that time has gone by to do that. If they're there, make it easy. Just do the review freaking for them. Just be like, here, let's do this together, you and I. I want you to share with the world, girl. I want you to write it like poetry. Roses are red, violets are blue. I feel beautiful, so can you. That wasn't bad, huh? But you got to hit them hard right then and right there. If time has gone by, you can't just say, hey, you can't just send them a text and say, hey, can you leave me a review? It doesn't work that way. Those people are in a different state of mind. So you have to bring them back to that state of mind where they're excited, they're pumped, they're thankful, they're grateful, right? So step number one is you remind them in that way, like the example I just gave you. You ask them questions, or like, oh my God, you send them those before and after pictures. Because here, I'm not an esthetician, but I'll tell you this: I've learned that people forget very, very quickly how bad their skin was. We live in a world, people, no, my skin wasn't that bad. It's like, oh girl, oh baby girl, hold on. I got a Polaroid for this reason alone. This was you. This train wreck right here, right? This all this damaged dermis. You see that acne farm, that the acne farm that you were planting acne right there on your chin. You see that? That was, oh my God, that was me. Yeah, that's why before and after pictures are just critical, critical. If you're not tracking the journey, you're losing so much of that credibility. Right. So you do that. You send them like a thank you card. You give them something. So the other part of it is it's called reciprocity. Give them something. You send them the before and after pictures. You send them something nice like the thank you card. You give them something small, and they're like, "Oh my God, that was so nice of you. I appreciate." Go. You know what? I appreciate you, baby girl. You're such a valued client of mine. Go. How are you liking your skin? You asking that question. How do you like your skin? Oh my God. Go. Did you see that before and after picture? Look at your transformation. And then you don't take credit yourself. You always want to give them the credit. Go, you know what? Congratulations. Here, I did so much, but a lot of this is you. You did the AM PM skincare routine, right? Yeah. You used the products that I recommended, right? Yeah. You did that consistently. Yeah. Congratulations, girl. You did that. You. I just, you know, girl, you are like Luke Skywalker. I'm just Yoda. You're like the Karate Kid. I'm just Miyagi, Mr. Miyagi. Very good. I think that's how Mr. Miyagi would have said it. Right? So you give them credit, you make them feel good, and go, by the way, could you do me just a little favor? Like, yeah, what? Oh my God, it would mean the world to me. Yeah, Wick, what? What can I do for you that you help transform, that train wreck into, this beautiful skin that you see before you? Like, I'm gonna send you a quick link. Can you do me that favor? Just click it real quick. It's a Google review. It would mean the world to me. Yes, use those words. It'll mean the world to me. Make it personal. And last thing, this is my ninja trick. This is my ninja trick because, first of all, Everyone that you ask to do that are still not going to do it. That's, that's just the reality of it, right? You can ask. The more you ask, the more it's going to work, right? But don't just leave it and go do it. They're like, yeah, yeah, I'll do it, right? Don't just leave. Don't just say thank you. This is why. If you learn nothing from me, oh, why am I even giving you this for free? My God, this is like 25 years of my sales and marketing stuff that I'm just just bestowing upon you. Because when you say thank you, what does thank you typically mean? Thank you typically means that the thing is over, that, like as if they've already done it, right? So thank you typically means the deed is done. No, 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 baby girl. The deed isn't done until I see that in my Google review. If it's not in my Googly, it's not done. So I'm not going to let them off the hook quite yet. Genius. Listen to this part and do this. Do it. Do it. Go, when they go, yeah, yeah, I'll do it. Go. Do me a favor, please. After it's done, after you do it, can you text me a quick message like done? Can you message me done? And go this way. I can run and read it as soon as you do it. I'm telling you, and because what this means is, hey, okay, you said you'll do it. After you do it, put done, because I'm here waiting for it. If you make it like that impression, like you're waiting for it, that person's gonna be, even if they don't want to do it, they'll kind of slightly guilt themselves into like, they're like, oh, but he's waiting for me to do it, right? Even though you're not, like, your world goes on and blah 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 blah. But do not say thank you because the deed is not done. Go, do me a favor. After you do the review, can you just message me back, text me back, whatever, and just write the word done? Go, that would mean the world to me. And this way I can run, make it a big deal. It's kind of like potty training a kid, right? If you all got kids and they're potty, you got to make it a big deal. You got to be part like, yay, you did it. Wow, you just tinkled in the toilet, right? Same thing with clients, right? Your review training your clients. You tell them, go. So I can run. Like you're, oh my God, the review's coming, right? I can run and I can read the review because it's so exciting, right? You got to make it like a deal. If you don't make it like it's a big deal, then they're not going to think of it like a big deal. And that way they will be like, oh, they're waiting for me to do the review. I better do it because they're waiting for me, right? Small little thing. Is it gonna increase your reviews by is everyone gonna do it? No. But we live in a game, we live in a life, and this game of life is called probability. It's like what Vegas has made its billions and trillions with. When you do things this way, it increases the probability of, one, them leaving the review, two, when they don't want to leave the review because we're humans and we're lazy by nature, not because I hate you, then you guilt them to that second step. So you increase, initially you give them, let's just say, a 20% probability. You ask 10 people to do it, maybe two would do it, right? So two. Out of that two, one might say yes and then just drop off, right? Because we're lazy by nature, not because I hate you, not because they hate you, but because you gave them that extra thing, like you're waiting for it. You increase your chances that they will leave that review, right? So, and that's all you want to do. You just want to increase your chances. You want to do things in your nature. You want to stack the chips in your favor so you can be victorious. Because you know what? Here, let me share something about you that you don't know. You are a champ. You are amazing. You are glorious. You are fantastic. I am blessed beyond measure just to be in your space to learn from you. So don't you dare give away your power. Don't you dare feel that you're not enough. Don't you dare feel like a dermatologist is higher than an esthetician. I know plenty of estheticians making a buttload more than dermatologists. Don't feel just because they got that doctor title, right? Just very briefly tell you, right? If I had a doctor's salary, I would feel broke. I'd be like, if they'd be like, Wick, imagine you change things with a surgeon, right? I would go, how much does a surgeon make? I don't know. A surgeon makes 200,000 to 300,000 a year. Go, shit, I'd go broke if I was making 200,000 to 300,000 a year, right? So don't throw away your power. You are rolling with the big gorillas, right? The freaking we got this. As long as you know this, you own your power and you can do this. Use this trick, use this hack, use this technique to grow your reviews. Last thing, quick thing, make sure you have a daily review goal. Every freaking day, go, okay, my goal today is to have get one more review. Every freaking day, there is zero reasons you can't get one more review. Get a review. Get a review. You know, right now my goal, when I started this, I had 14 reviews. Now I have like 40 over one day. One day I got like that. If you focus on something, you can do it. I had 14 reviews yesterday. Now I have 40. So that's what 20, yeah, 26 more. I got 26. I tripled my reviews in one day, right? Just because I asked and I set things up. But you have to have a goal. So right now my goal is 3 reviews every day. Every day I want 3 reviews. Every day I want 3 reviews. Right? That's me. I got a bigger following. It's easier for me. Whatever. You can do one. Get one. Make it your goal. Go. Who is gonna be my review today? Don't ask yourself, can I get a review today? Ask who. Be a freaking owl. Who is gonna be my review? Today. Do it, be amazing, because being amazing pays oh so well. Peace.